Only two things to make chocolate covered pecans. You guessed it right, chocolates and pecans. The biggest tip for you guys is to use roasted pecans that are slightly salted in this recipe. Use an oven, stove top or microwave to do the job. You can find my favorite way of doing it in the description box below. Next thing, let's talk chocolates. We would need melted chocolate, obviously, right? I have shared multiple methods of melting the chocolate the right way before. All the links will be shared in the description box below. But what is more important to know is which chocolate to use. The first choice, of course, good quality or Kuvacher chocolate bar like Lind, Whittaker's, Amul, Van Houten, etc. But for the ease of convenience, I am going to use compound chocolates as this is what I had handy. But what not to use are these baking chips as they are meant to retain their shape whilst baking, popularly used in recipes like chocolate chip cookies or chocolate chip cake. And yes, that's it. Pecans and chocolates. Oh yes, of course you would also need a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper like this so that when we dip our chocolate into it, we have a place to keep the pecans to set completely. So either dip the pecans halfway to make chocolate dipped pecans or drop the pecan into the chocolate completely, then lift using a fork, tap to remove the excess drip to make a pecan that is completely coated in chocolate. The choice is yours, either dip them or coat them. Once you have done a couple of them, simply sprinkle some sea salt on top because once the chocolate sets, the salt won't stick onto it. I prefer and recommend to set them at room temperature only as that way there is no worrying about condensation forming on top of the chocolates. Find more innovative recipe tips and variations for using this exact method to make a couple of different things which would be perfect to be included in your Christmas hamper, as these are pocket friendly to make, giving you a profit margin that is much higher than other cakes or anything else that you would like to include. So yes, that's it for this video. I'll see you soon with yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.